Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In this video we will discuss the number types in Python. In the previous video we have discussed all the data types in Python. So in this video we will be focusing on the number data type in Python. So we already know that the numbers in Python are of three types. It is integer type, float type and complex type. So if you put x is equal to 1, even if you do not specify the integer data type, Python will automatically assign this as a integer data type. And if you put x is equal to 4.5, then Python will automatically assign y to the variable y a 4.5 as a float, because there is a decimal place. And if you put z is equal to 6 plus 8j, this will be considered as a complex number data type. So we can check. So print x, y, z, x, y and z. It will print the values and we will check the type of x comma y comma z, type of y and type of z. So you should not give type of x, y, z, it will give error. You need to, for type function you can enter only one argument. Okay, more than one argument you cannot give it type function. So you can see x is an integer, y is a float and z is a complex. Now integer can be whole number, positive, negative, without decimals of unlimited length. A is equal to 1, y is equal to, you can write, okay, of unlimited length, and okay, we will put b, this is b, then c is equal to minus value. We put enter. We will put just c, type of c. Okay, it is an integer, so integer can be a whole number which is positive or negative without decimal and of unlimited length. Now float or floating point numbers is a number which is positive or negative which contains one or more decimal points. X is equal to 7.6 is a floating number, y is equal to minus 9.7 is a floating number. So if you put run, okay, just entered, you will see type of y, type of a float. So previously we have entered y as an integer. Now when you again if you enter y equal minus 9.7, Python will update it as minus 9.7. the other old one will be deleted. Okay, so now value of y is minus 9.7. it is a floating point number. Now float can also be scientific numbers with the letter e in it to indicate the power of 10. So if we used to represent in our when you write an expression, or when you do the problem, we'll write 3 into 10 raised to 6, 3 into 10 raised to 10 or something. So the same thing you can do in Python, like this one. For x is equal to, I'm going to write 56e4, meaning is that to the variable x I'm going to give a value of 56 into 10 raised to 4. We'll see. We'll print x. It will be 56 into 10 raised to 4, which is 0.04, but it is considered as a float. You can see type of x will be a float one. So another example is, I will give b is equal to minus 87.7e90, meaning is that minus 87.7 into 10 raised to 90. Okay, if I print b is, so minus 8.77 into 10 raised to 20. Okay. So this is also a floating point number. Now about complex number. Complex numbers are written with j as the imaginary part. Okay, so if you have so if you put f is equal to 1j, that is also a complex number. Okay, so if you print f, so 1j, that means the real part is 0 and imaginary part is 1. Type of f is a complex number. You can convert one type to another type very easily in Python. Okay. For example, you have given a value d is equal to 1. Now you know that if you type of d, it will be an integer. Now if I want to store this 1 as a float, so I am going to use a new one, A B C D E. I'll use G. Okay, to G I am going to represent integer of D. Okay, so now if I print G, it will be 1. Oh, sorry, I want to change that one to a float. Okay, again put it as integer. Okay, so G is equal to float, it is already an integer, float of D. Now if I print G, you can see it is 1.0. Now in D it is 1. Okay, D it is 1 and it was an integer, but now I have given the same D into a variable G with float. Okay, so if you type the type of G, you can see that it is a float number. Okay, we can give directly, for example, x is equal to float of 9. Okay, so if you print x, you can see 9.0. Now x is considered as a float. So here the D was integer, I convert that one into a float, or you can directly in the assignment itself, at the assignment time itself, you can directly give it as a float number. So I need to convert a float value into a integer value. Okay, for example, I am giving v is equal to 9.2. Now this is a float number, so type of v is a float. This is a float. I want to convert that one to w variable, w equal to integer of v. So now if you take print w, it will show 9. Okay, because now w is a integer, v is a float number, that is why it is 9.2, but w is now an integer. So 9.2 becomes w, it will be integer data type. Now I have one more thing. If I am putting c is equal to 1, okay, and now we know that c is an integer. Now I am going to convert that one to, I will put l is equal to, not l, h is equal to complex. Okay, complex of c. Okay, now c, which was integer data type, becomes complex. The type of h will be complex, and if I print h, it will be 1 plus 0j, because 1 is I have added an imaginary part also. So but the data type has changed from integer to a complex number. So in this video we have discussed the data types, number data type in detail, that is the integer, float and complex. It is very easy to convert one number data type to another data type, number data type in Python very easily. So if you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to write in the comment section. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.